I also request Chitra and Pradnya, the staff of Goa Tourism, to kindly come up on stage and do the honors and felicitate our VIPs. Chitra and Pradnya of Goa Tourism. Okay, have the remotes been passed? The remotes are in the hands. Everybody, let's do this together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Requesting Chitra and Pradnya to kindly offer a bouquet of flowers to our VIPs. Chitra and Pradnya, of course, are from Goa Tourism. Requesting those of you in the audience, come on, let's hear it for our dignitaries, our VIPs. Without the backing of the Goa Tourism and the Goa government, we wouldn't have had such an event of this magnitude here in South Goa, in Kollwa, in our very own backyard. So a very big thank you to Goa Tourism and to the government of Goa and our dignitaries as well.
Well, all our renowned MLAs and our leaders and dignitaries have all been felicitated, and I think now it's time to throw the festival open, yeah?
Requesting the Honourable Minister for Transport, Mr. Movin Godino, to kindly declare the festival open here in Kollwa.
I declare the Spirit of Goa, the Festival 2025 open.
I now kindly request our Honourable MLA of Benauli constituency, Captain Wenzi Viegas, to kindly give us the welcome speech.
Good evening, everyone. Deobari Samsdiu Soglyang. Pहिले Swater, as we welcome this Spirit of Goa 2025, would like to thank the Government of Goa and the Honourable Tourism Minister Bab Shri Rohan Kaunte, who was not able to make it here today. But a great thanks to him for having this Spirit of Goa for the third consecutive year here in Kollwa. As we welcome on the stage the Honourable Minister for Transport, Shri Movin Godino, we also like to express our thanks to him for being here, making his presence and visiting this wonderful setup this evening. Like to welcome the Honourable MLA of Margaon, Shri Digambar Kamatji. We have with us on the stage our well-known and आमचे सगळ्यांचे आवडीचे आमचे कोलवा गावचे सरपंच by Suzy, the Director of Tourism, the Tourism Department, and the one of the men who made this evening happen is Mr. Elvis, who's here. So please let us give a round of applause to everyone as we welcome everyone to Kollwa. The Spirit of Goa is open today. We welcome everyone. Let us all enjoy. And thanks to everyone who could make this evening happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Captain Wenzi Viegas. I now request our Honourable Minister for Transport, Mr. Movin Godino, to kindly say a few words.
Sorry, we request MLA from the, our Honorable Shri Digambar Kamat from the Marga constituency to please say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome all of you to this Spirit of Goa 2025 being held in the beautiful place of Kollwa. I was present here last year for same festival, and I have seen how huge crowd had gathered here to participate in this festival. I have no doubt this year also Saturday and Sunday will be flooded, and I am sure people will enjoy. The government of Goa, headed by Dr. Pramod Sawant, is keen in taking tourism in the hinterlands of the state of Goa, and that is one of the things which has brought this festival for in the city, in the town of Kolwa. I wish you all the best. Enjoy yourself.
Yes, and now requesting the Honorable Minister of Transport, Shri Momin Gudino, to please say a few words.
Spirit of Goa 2025, present here this evening, the ex-Chief Minister and MLA from neighboring constituency, Mr. Digambar Kamath, my friend Mr. Venzi Viegas, MLA from here, Suzy the Sarpanch from Kolwa, Kedar Naik, the Director of Tourism, Rajesh, also Gavin, Deepak, and of course Elvis. I hope I have not missed out anyone. All the officials of the tourism department and all those present here. Spirit of Goa, as you know, truly showcasing what is a wonderful Goa. As you know, Goa, the most preferred place in the world where people want to come, descend. And we have always been number one as far as the footfall of tourism, people coming here, charters coming here, people coming from all over the country, from all over the world. I think after seeing all this, we became a little complacent. And I want to say it here. We have to see that we remain at the same level or go even several notches higher. And for some reasons which all of you will know in the tourism sector, we are not happy to have the footfall what we are having now. All of us have to work towards that. And I am very happy that under Rohan County as the tourism minister, under Digambar Kamath as the chief minister, we are having spirit of, Dr. Pramod Sawant, I'm sorry. We are having this wonderful festival here. This wonderful festival signifies the strength of Goans. I went around the different stalls here. I went around seeing the Goan products. इतली खुशी भोगली की गोंयकार खरे सगळे वाठारांनी आमी मुखार आसा. आमची संस्कृती आसुंदी, आमचे कल्चर जे आमी म्हणटा, आमचे कुझीन आसुंदी, आमचे रांदप आसुंदी, आमचे प्रोडक्ट. आनी आज सगळ्यांक खबर आसा अल्कोहol इंडस्ट्री इज समथिंग which is means by growing by leaps and bounds. Previously it was only Scotland having Scotch. Today we have the same thing being produced in Goa itself, and various other brands, whether it is jeans and other things. What does it show? We are capable of everything under the sun. With such lovely setting, I am sure this type of festivals like Spirit of Goa will really help tourism be taken to different levels. And I think this is what our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant wants. He has seen that tourism activities which previously used to take place more in the north, it takes place in the hinterland. It takes place down here in South Goa. Captain Venzi should be very happy. He has been captaining such things happening in Kolwa, in South Goa. I am also from South Goa, being from Dabolim constituency. So we have seen all these type of activities which will encourage tourism in a very, very big way. And I am sure they will do their task. One last thing I want to mention here. I think sometimes we overprice ourselves, whether it is our taxis, whether it is the hotels, whether it is even the airlines. We overprice ourselves, and that is what is going to, in the long term, not help us build the brand what we want to build. Several notches above Goa, nobody can take Goa's place.
What is heartening is, in spite of everything, yet people want to come to Goa. Let us make it happen in a more wonderful way with cooperation from everyone. It is time we rethink. It is time we think how to build more tourism, footfall, more people coming here. And अशें आमी सगळ्यांनी तरी तितून वांटो घेयल्यार टुरिजम जे आमी नंबर 1 इंडस्ट्री आसली ती आनीकूय आमी उंच पावयतले, आनीकूय उत्पन्न आमच्या गोंयकारांक जातले, गोंयकारांक आपलो धंदो चलोवपाक आनी प्रोत्साहन मेळटलें. आनी हेंच आमचो सरकार करीत आसा आनी हांव समजता फुडारा हें जायत रावतलें. हें सांगून हिंगा जे खास करून सगळे स्टॉल्स आहा, मुद्दम सगळे स्टॉल्सान हांव गेलो. शाबासकी तुमकां, तुमी व्हडले संख्येन तुमी कितें कितें घरा रांदता करता, प्रॉडक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चर करता, जेवण आसूं दी, तुमचे फिणी आसूं दी, आमची काजू फिणी आनी आमचे जीन आसूं दी, आमची विस्की आसूं दी, आमचे उर्राक तुमी दुसऱ्या लेवलार दुसऱ्या पावंड्यार तुमी पावोवपाक सोदता. लवली प्रॉडक्ट्स वीथ मिक्सचर वीथ डिफरंट थिंग्स. हॅट्स ऑफ टू यू एंड विशिंग यू ऑल द व्हेरी बेस्ट. चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, Mr. Marvin Godino. Everybody, please put your hands together for the Honourable Minister for Transport, Mr. Marvin Godino. And I think wise words and pearls of wisdom from the gentleman. We all are in this together. If we're down, we come up together. That is the spirit of Goa. And on that note, I'd like to request the Deputy General Manager, GTDC, Mr. Deepak Narikar, to kindly give the word of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Department of Tourism, Government of Goa, I would like to extend thanks to Honorable Minister for Transport, Sri Marvin Godino, for being with us and inaugurating this festival. Our thanks goes to ex-Chief Minister of Goa, MLA of Margao, Sri Digambar Kamath. Thank you, sir, for attending this festival. Our thanks goes to Venzi Viegas, MLA of Benaolim constituency, for overall coordinating for this festival and supporting Department of Tourism to organize this festival. Our thanks goes to Director of Tourism, Sri Kedar Naik, for supporting this festival. Our thanks goes to Suzy Madam, Sarpanch of Kolwa, Village Panchayat, for attending this festival. We are having Mr. Gavin Dias, Rajesh Kale, Jayesh Kandkonkar, and the event management agency by Elvis Dias. Thank you each and everyone for attending this festival for the inauguration session. Thank you.
Sir.